What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. We're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 48,520. We're down about 0.87% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 912 billion. 24-hour volume is 28.54 billion. So, guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto-going app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So, in yesterday's videos, XRP, ADA, Polygon, I talked about the short positions increasing 500% and to be cautious and look for a back test of support, which is exactly what happened. We saw a large increase in short positions and we came down for a back test of support at 48,026, and we've seen a little bit of bounce. However, there isn't still a lot of volume here, but it is the weekend and there's a lot less trading going on the weekend. Now, there is a pattern I want to show you guys here. I'm going to show you on the 4-hour chart. So we're all watching this rising channel, or some are calling it a rising wedge, but I would just prefer an ascending channel. So we broke down, but the bears didn't have a lot of strength. We had a little bit of a bear trap. We threw back up into it. However, we've fallen back out of it once again. So if we're going to remain bullish here, the bulls need to push the price back up, get back up into this channel and break this level, our previous high, right around 50.5K. All right, guys. Now, there is a reversal pattern at play that we might see here. I'm sure many of you can already see it. It's an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your head. Here would be your right shoulder. Absolutely hideous. All right, just one moment, guys. Here would be your head, and here would be your right shoulder. Quick drink of juice, guys. Hope you're well. All right, and then you would take your neckline here. So if you see Bitcoin start to come up and break about 49,160 and throw back up into our ascending channel here, that would be very bullish. And you would have a breakout target from this inverse head and shoulders that would bring you up. Let's give it a little price target here to about 52,198. So if you do see us break this neckline, we come back up into this channel with some volume, that would be a great time to enter a trade, not financial advice. Head up to 52,198. That's a juicy little trade for Bitcoin of about, wow, 5%, 6%. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. Check out my full length tutorial and sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. So let's hop over to the daily time frame. So you can see here on the daily, we're holding the 20 EMA, but I still don't think our bearish divergence has fully played out yet. Now, this can take time. It can take up to a month, 2 months to fully play out here on the daily. But Septembers, they tend to be dumpy for crypto, and a larger correction is due. So just keep that in mind. If we can't break above 50K, I do believe that larger correction will come into play, where we may come down to about 44K. Or even this previous swing high here at about 42K. So just keep that in mind, guys. That doesn't mean we won't go up to 54K first or even trend a little bit higher, but I do not think this divergence has fully played out, and we are seeing a decrease in volume. See here how we spiked up with volume, and the volume continued to increase here. We saw some nice volume, and we really tampered off. So just keep an eye on that on the daily. If we do look at the weekly here, for Bitcoin, you can see here on the weekly, we are a little bit overextended. So if we do come down and see that larger correction, would be healthy on the weekly chart. So on the short-term time frame, keep an eye on 48,765 as a level of resistance. If we do break above it, then you could target where these wicks came up to here. I'm sure it lines up with the Fibonacci as well. Let's grab our fib here. We're going to go swing high down to swing low here. So you can see here, yeah, it's the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. So we'll drop a little price target there as well. 49613 can act as a level of resistance as well. So if we are going to remain bullish here, I'm going to pop back over into the 4-hour time frame. We need to break out of this inverse head and shoulders, break back above into this channel and break 50K, and then we can head over to that technical target. If we do break this neckline and throw back up into this channel with some volume, I'll definitely be entering a trade up to this price target here. I'll probably take some profits off the table at about 50.5K, as it will act as a level of resistance in my opinion. So this is the bullish scenario. This is what we need to see happen. If we come up and we get rejected here, that's when we can come down to these levels of support, 47,345, 46,787, and then we have about 45K. See all the support in this area, And then we have that technical target from our rising wedge, which is down at about 44,000. All right, guys. So the pattern to watch right now is this inverse head and shoulders, as well as coming back up into this channel to remain bullish. If we get rejected, then those are your levels of support. So that's it for this one, guys. Time to buy it. Make sure to smash that like button. You can follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.